Sketch the basic outline of your subject lightly with a pencil.
A for apple, big and red. Crunch, 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 the little boy said. Round and juicy, sweet delight. Take a bite.
Apply a light,
Feels just
even
right.
layer of watercolor as a base.
Apple in my hand, tastiest fruit in all the land. Take a munch and chew away. Every moment is a play.
Add darker tones to create depth and form.
Apples falling from the tree. Snack for you and snack for me. Shiny skin and juicy core makes me want to
Refine
eat
edges,
some more.
add textures and details.
Apple in my hand, tastiest fruit in all the land. Take a munch and chew away. Every moment is a play. From the orchard to our town, apples red and apples brown. Healthy fun in every bite makes our
Add
days
shadows
so warm
to anchor
and
the
bright.
subject.
A for apple, big and red. Day by day, they keep us fed. Tarts and pies or just alone. Apples bring us